Alright guys, today I've been replacing the wash fluid pump on my E92. It's been leaking for quite some time now. I did try BMW Fanatics method of putting some JB water weld on around the pump, but it didn't really work for me. Not sure what happened, but I kind of was curious to look up the part, and a pump is only like 11 bucks on Amazon. I'll put the link below. But I figured, you know what, why not? Just replace it. I don't know if it was BMW OEM. It kind of said it was, but the packaging does not seem OEM. I'm not checking on BMW at least, but it might be OE. Maybe the manufacturer just kind of sold these on Amazon as well. But yeah, only 11 bucks, and it's the exact same thing. I'll bring it over here. I'll show you guys. Here's the box. It's Mean Mug Auto. Man, it doesn't really sound very German to me, but from what I can tell, it looks like the exact same thing. You got the same pump over here, and you got a grommet as well. So to get to this pump itself, you get to the tank. You drop the tank. So take off your fender lining on the passenger side for U.S. market vehicles, at least. Not sure if it's the same side. Must be the same side for European vehicles or right-hand drive. But it is the right side of the car from the rear. This is the tank right here. There's only one 10mm bolt kind of loosely holding it in. I believe it's somewhere over there. I can show you guys even closer. That guy right there. So that is the only thing kind of holding it in place. All you need to do is undo that one bolt, and then the entire tank kind of drops out, and then I'll be back when that's done. Right, so here's the pump itself. It's a little bit dirty from the water weld mess I did, but I believe it leaks from around over here. And it seems that people with a similar issue kind of have the same area. I think it's just from vibration over the time and whatnot, but get it taken care of now. And yeah, let's go. There we go, so the old one is now out. Looks pretty corroded, honestly. Just old. Now, this does have a BMW logo on it, so this is definitely a BMW part itself. But it's not like it's a crucial part to me, so it's just a washer fluid pump. I'd like to be able to use my washer fluid every once in a while, so, you know, good to have. But the new one should work just fine. So let's see how it goes. Alright, so we'll be reusing this old filter to kind of take off the old one, cut the grommet on it, and now I just got to put it in. So first I'll put this little line on. There we go. Let's get it go on too. Sweet. Oh, come back here. And now the final test is to see if it leaks. So I'm going to put some distilled water in there. Looks like success to me. No more leaking at all. So, alright, so the water's in the tank. You can see the lines right there. There's pressure on this, but no leaks at all. We're doing great. That's it. Just gotta put it back now and test it out.